is called the radio frequency. So this part is cavitation and radio frequency body shaping, which I stated earlier is a non-invasive procedure that uses low frequency sound waves that allows your body to break down stubborn fat deposits, which then are metabolized and removed naturally through your body's filtration system. So as you can see, Stacey is really focused on my specified area. I do have some fluid on me and will begin a lymphatic session in March, but that's a whole nother vlog, so stay tuned for that. Treatment. Lasers liquefies fat. Lasers also jumpstart collagen that result in firmer, tighter, and smoother skin. As you can see, Stacey has a passion for what she does. She's very attentive and ensures every part of my area of concern is treated. This treatment is also very relaxing. As you can see, I'm getting a good nap in. After 1 hour and 10 minutes of body contouring, Stacey applies Slimming Cream and Osmotic Body Wrap to help shape my Coke bottle figure. Once I'm all wrapped, I'm back in my waist trainer for the remainder of the day. I normally wear my waist trainer 8 hours a day and during my workout sessions with my trainer. Waist wrapping with osmotic wrap helps trap heat during any high intense workout, creating a curvaceous waist over time and being consistent. I like to add Sweet Sweat to increase sweating in my waist area. Sweet Sweat smells good and leaves my skin smooth and soft. If you would like to book a body contour session or any other services Stacey provides, such as facials, wood therapy, waxing, teeth whitening, and more, you can book at www.glowupbodyandskinspa.com. These amazing services are also available for men as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, click the like and notification